Hi. It is very easy to define the packaging cost or packing cost in simpliRP ERP. Packing cost will be useful in creating estimation sheet for an item. Go to Edit an Item Master. There is a link for updating packing cost given. Click that. Enter the item code for which you want to enter the packing cost. Enter the packaging cost. Press Tab key. That's it. The packing cost is updated. There are many other benefits of packaging cost, which we will see in other videos. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your manufacturing. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.